Probably go on your belly. Probably if you go on your belly, you can slide. Yeah. First time shoveling snow.
When did I get to work it?
So I guess this is the calm before the storm. This was the Saturday night heading to work. I brought a bag with me, an overnight bag, just in case the roads are impassable in the morning. So this is me heading to work. All the roads are good, no snow yet. So let's see what's gonna happen in the morning if I can get on. Morning guys, I'm here just leaving work. Oh, I feel like I need to upgrade my car because I am in the cold waiting for my car to heat up because the seats are too cold, or probably I need to get one of those warm cushions. But I'm leaving work. I've never driven on this type of snow, or they call it ice. They say we're supposed to get about 17 inches of snow, and I'm not looking forward to that. Never since I've lived in Missouri have I experienced that. So pray that God go with me, that I'll reach home safe. But Happy New Year guys, Happy New Year. Hope your year this year is filled with lots of hope your year is filled with lots of what should I say? Ooh, 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 I'm cold. My brain freeze, I can't think. Hope you'll have a successful and prosperous new year. Hope all your dreams and aspirations come through, because 2024 wasn't my year. But we're not gonna talk about the past. We're gonna move on and look forward to the future, right? But let me show you what's going on outside. And thank you guys for staying with me, all 412 subscribers. I know a lot of new people made it on the channel. Thank you guys for subscribing and liking my videos. That motivates me to keep making content. All right, look guys, let me show you what's going on. That's outside there. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, it's light snow now. I don't know how many inches, but usually it takes me about 50 minutes to reach home, but today Google was telling me it's gonna take me an hour and 30 minutes. Of course, look at the road conditions. It was terrible. Guys, 2 minutes from home and the car ran off. guys, it's what, 5:30. Many hours later. Let me see what outside is looking like. Oh my god, this man have a snow blower. Janine, we're gonna build a snowman now. We are snowed in. No garden. 1 o'clock. Oh, we need one of those. What is that? What do you call that? Snow blower. Come on out here, sir.
I pushed the snow off the door.
Wow.
I had to get him off and push the snow.
First, I'm seeing my patio filled with so much snow. No, Jenny, not make him go out there.
I mean, I like to
You can't build a snowman out there. Jeez, look at the neighbor. Whoa, it's still cold though. But at least it stopped snowing. This is the morning after the snowstorm. Let me see what's. Oh, on the door. OMG, it really come up high, you know? Look there, right on my doorstep. Never seen this before. Whew. Garden buried. Oh, this is a lot. They need to come and clear the snow. This is a lot. Candy canes buried. Oh, Jax, have you ever seen anything like this, Baba? Oh, soft too. Come up right at the door. It's bad. It's really bad. It's really bad out there. Look. Ooh, and it's cold. Ooh, even on the Christmas things. Need to come down, Jax. I know you want to go out there, but God no. It's cold bad. It's cold bad. This is what it's looking like in my front yard. Damn. This is really deep, guys. Woo, you see? Deep. Deep, deep, deep. That's good. From the other, from Jax! Jax! Jenna, I lied, I'm gonna make a snow angel. Light up for your back.
No!
Yes! A light drop down! Light drop down, I'll make a snow angel. Go on now.
I'm just putting my hoodie up.
Yeah, put your hoodie up. I saw somebody drop down.
Ah.
Snow angel. Yay! You know, Jenny.
Me?
Yeah. Woo.
Oh my gosh, it's be perfect.
Yeah, I know down there. But we don't have nothing for slide,
Oh my
Pam.
gosh, it's so
Come, Jack. Come. But we don't have nothing for slide, Pam. You know?
yeah.
What we can use? A box? We can try now.
A box?
Or a plastic bag. No? Oh, that really good to slide down, man. Go on now. What? Go and get the box. Don't step in it, Jenny. You're gonna mess it up. Yes. What the garbage now, Jenny?
That's
We start build the snowman now. With the other garbage pan. Oh. This is a cold on the place. Come
Over there, out of this driveway.
girl. Obviously. I sneeze, him I sneeze. You need for going. candy canes buried. My garden. My garden is basically covered. The part is so deep, man. Right, sister? This is about how much inches this? This is a lot of inches.
Come on, you can do it, baby. Look, you can do it. Oh, look at it jumping. Look,
The
look.
part is deep. Come, Baba.
Mama, go to
Come,
Mama.
come to Mama.
Go to mommy. Look, right here, mommy.
Ooh, alright, that's so good for slide down. Come, Jax.
You can do it, you can do it.
Ooh.
You can do it. You can do it. Come on, baby.
Hi. Good. It's really deep.
Yeah. Need to borrow my shovel?
We have a shovel. We have one.
Yeah.
You have a big one?
Where's the snow shovel at, Dakota? Dakota.
See, they're cleaning the roads. Oh, one of these big something with me. Woo! Damn.
Sherby.
First time shoveling snow.
When did I get to work? Get the other shovel.
Screenshot. Thumbnail.
Oh. I don't know if I'm taking a picture. Because my finger. Did I take a picture?
Ready?
Did I take it?
One.
I don't think it's moving.
Now.
I think you have
Should I order it down the hill?
Ooh!
The what?
Racing down the hill.
No, it's so deep.
That's what's right?
I'm gonna tell you, go on your belly. Probably if you go on your belly, you can slide. Yeah. You're on a cloud bed. Run. No man, it's deep. It's so deep behind here. This is probably like 12 inches.
Yeah.
This is a lot. Ooh! See? Yeah, slide down. This is crazy. I've never seen this before.
I mean, we
Huh?
tried like 2 years ago.
Hmm?
We tried like tonight.
So high?
Yeah. I think it was higher actually.
But the snow at the apartment is 30.
No.